Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smartboard feeder camera keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, it can be frustrating to see it go online one moment and offline the next. You might miss live bird visits, stop receiving motion alerts, or notice that recordings suddenly fail because the connection drops unexpectedly. This doesn't always mean the camera is defective. In many cases, the issue is caused by a weak wireless signal, network settings, router interference, or power saving features affecting the connection. Before replacing the camera or resetting it multiple times, there are a few practical checks that can often stabilize the Wi-Fi connection. In this video, I'll show you the steps you can try to keep your SmartBird feeder camera connected reliably. Number 1. Move the feeder closer to your Wi-Fi router or extender. 2. Connect the camera to a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network only. 3. Restart both the camera and your Wi-Fi router. 4. Reduce nearby wireless interference from other devices. 5. Update the camera firmware through the companion app. 6. Monitor the connection for a few minutes to confirm it stays online.